finna barbecue, bro. Look at the grill, bro. Come on. Excuse me.
Okay.
No, I ain't trying to.
Okay, move over to the left.
Okay, bro.
Come up to the left.
I'm reaching. I'm about to turn my car. Look at my look. Motherfucker just bust my windshield out, bro.
Okay. It's okay. Take it down.
You alright?
Man, hey, man. Why is they? Okay, and my shit video recorded too, bro.
Okay, good.
What the fuck, bro? Why? Hey, look, y'all. Every day. Now I'm about to die, y'all.
Why is that?
You know what I'm saying? Because I want to die, man. I'm over here finna barbecue. Y'all see this shit?
Okay, Ronald,
well, you're not supposed to be drinking that.
Yes, I'm not drinking. I'm moving that beer. That's somebody else's beer.
Okay. Do you live here, Ronald?
Yes, my uncle live here. Look, he about to fix my window.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
What's the fucking problem? Yeah, man.
Because
I'm about to get my ID right here.
people don't live over here. You out here drinking on the public? Okay.
Hey, Carter, man, I'm out here cleaning up the community. Hey, yesterday, I told the officer I found some slugs over there that got shot. I'm trying to clean up the fucking community, bro. I ain't giving up. It's a basketball rim on its way over here, bro. We're just trying to have a good time. My music's not loud. It's just popped on.
But the music,
it's not loud, bro. We just chilling, bro.
Okay. You get it, Ronald. We come up.
Look.
You immediately walk to the car. You reach into the car.
I know. I'm about to cut it off.
Okay.
Look,
That's
they got EPD right there on my truck, bro. I'm about to roll my windows. I'm tired of y'all taking my car, bro.
This is your car?
You know what I'm saying?
This is your car?
Bro, why are y'all messing with me?
I'm asking you.
Did somebody call the police? What'd I do?
Ronald.
What did I do, man? I'm tired of this shit, man.
The problem is, Ronald, we've talked about this. Me and you've talked about this. I've arrested you back here.
I know, Carter. Look, ask anybody, man. I'm cool. I'm about to move into one of these.
Ronald, but this is a problem area,
right here.
Ronald.
I work here. Call the manager. Look.
Okay.
I work right here, bro.
Want to step aside for a second?
For what?
Step aside so I can make sure you have anything on you.
I ain't got shit on me. Why they fucking with me? I swear to God. I'm about to call 911, man. I'm scared.
Okay, Ronald, put the phone down. Ronald, don't be scared because you're Ronald,
that's all I want to do,
you're acting erratic, Ronald.
That's all I want to do. I just want them to hear me.
Okay, that's fine. We have body cams on, Ronald.
All right. Because they already had a look. Look, hey, Carl, I ain't got shit.
He's acting erratic.
Please, man. Please.
Ronald, come over a second.
I don't want y'all to.
When we walked up, he saw and he started reaching into the car.
Yeah, I'm about to roll my window up, bro.
Okay. Ronald, come on over here. Once you're fine, we'll go through. We have to go through. Ronald, you gotta come on. Ronald.
Excuse me, 911, please.
Ronald.
Please, because I'm about to die, y'all.
Ronald,
come on. You're not listening, Ronald.
Y'all want to see me die right now, y'all?
Ronald, you're not going to die.
I just told y'all.
Ronald, we'll get you help.
Come on, Carter, please, man. Come on.
Ronald, stop.
Carter, please, man.
Ronald, stop.
Carter, please, man. Please.
Ronald, stop.
This is not necessary, Ronald. It's not necessary.
I ain't even saying that. Kill me. Kill me, bro.
Relax.
Kill me, bro. Hell no. Hell no, bro.
Like he's reaching.
I'm not doing nothing.
I got his hand. Get the go. I got his hand.
I'm not doing nothing, bro. Lil John. Lil John, G. Lil John.
Good.
Lil John. Lil John, man. Look, G. Hey, man.
Get a second.
Really?
Getting second cuff.
Yes.
Right here. Get it.
Hey, man, I ain't did nothing wrong.
Ronald. Stop, Ronald. I'm gonna tase you. Stop. Ronald, stop.
I'm losing grip.
Stop, Ronald. I don't want to take you. Stop, Ronald. Stop, Ronald.
I got his hand.
Ronald, stop. Ronald, stop.
301.
Ronald, stop. Please stop.
Oh my God, look at my. Hey man, so look, I ain't got shit on me. Why they fucking with me? I swear to God. I'm about to just call 911, man. I'm scared. I'm scared. Look,
Ronald,
look, listen.
We are 911.
That's all I want to do, Carter. Look, that's all I want to do. I just want them to hear me.
Okay, we have body cams on, Ronald.
All right. Because they already had a look. Look, hey, Carl, I ain't got shit. Please, man. Please, look, y'all. I'm gonna just put my hands up. I don't want y'all touching me, bro.
He started reaching into the car.
Yeah, I'm about to roll my window up, bro.
Come on over here. Once you're fine, we'll go through.
Bro, hey, excuse me, 911, please. Please, because I'm about to die, y'all. I'm about to, y'all, look, they about to tell, look. Why y'all want to see me die right now, y'all? I just told y'all. So, come on, Carter, please, man, come on. Carter, please, man. Carter, please, man, come on. I don't want no short trouble, G.
Stop.
Good time. Good time, man. I ain't even did nothing, man. I ain't even did nothing. Kill me. Kill me, bro. Kill me, bro. Hell no.
Ronald.
Hell no, bro.
Ronald.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Good time. Good time, G. Good time. Good time. Good time, man. Look. Hey, man. Really?
Can you suck your cuff?
Disregard.
Right here.
Hey, man, I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Thumbs up. Ronald, stop. Ronald. Taser.
Stop, Ronald.
Stop.
Kill me, motherfucker. Kill me. Let me go.
Ronald, stop. Ronald,
Stop. You're going to get tased.
Ronald, stop. Stop, Ronald. I'm going to tase you. Stop.
Kill me, motherfucker.
Ronald, stop. I'm losing grip. Put your hands behind your back, Ronald. Stop, Ronald. Stop. Stop, Ronald. Ronald, I got Ronald. I don't want to take you. Stop, Ronald. Stop, Ronald. Ronald, stop. Stop, Ronald. Ronald, stop.
I'm just a black man with cameras.